Hi guys, as we look today at how latitude affects climate, we're going to be using this interactive. I know you have some script off to the left, but we're going to focus on this part of the screen. And what you're going to do, this might look like an interactive we had last year, but it's a little bit different. What we're going to be focusing on is the light intensity. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you ever get stuck, you can just hit this restart button and it'll go again. But I want you to pause it for now. You can tell from the table I'm having you fill out that I'm having you look at different dates throughout the year, which we can control with this icon by moving the Earth around the sun at different points. And we're also going to be looking at different latitudes. So the first date I actually have you focus on is September 22nd. At 0 latitude. Get as close as you can. I have trouble getting it exactly on 0, but 2 is close enough. Let me try one more time. So 2 is close enough. What I want you to do is see if you can stop the sun, pause it when the sun gets right at this cross arrow here. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, did pretty good there. I'm going to set the date back to September 22nd if I can. At all possible. Just get as close as you can to the dates and the times. Okay, I guess September. Okay, as close as I can get to the date on the sheet. And I'm going to record the light intensity. So the light intensity at or close to the equator on September 22nd or close to September 22nd is 100%. Okay, next I'm going to look at the Tropic of Cancer. So I'm going to get as close to that as I can. 26 degrees is pretty good. It's close enough. And that's 90%. So that's what I'd record in my table. Next, I'm going to look at the Arctic Circle. So I'm just going to click trying to get it to 66. See if I can get any closer. Yeah, I guess 70 is close as we can do. Light intensity is 35 degrees. Then I'm going to click on the North Pole. Light intensity is 1 degree. Okay. I'm going to go back down. So now I'm going to go to the southern route. I'm going to go to the Tropic of Capricorn. So getting as close as I can. Light intensity is 89%. Going to the Antarctic Circle, about 46%. And then the South Pole, 0% light intensity. Okay. So same thing. I'm going to change the date to the December equinox. I'm sorry, the winter solstice, or as close as I can get. And I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do 0 degrees, or as close as I can get. I'm going to record the light intensity. And Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, and North Pole. I'm going to go back down to the Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and South Pole. And I'm going to record the light intensity. So for each of those 4 dates, and those latitudes, get as close as you can. It's not going to be perfect. And rewatch this if you need to.